Sarah, please make sure you're ready for the open house. It starts tomorrow at 1-311 Younglove, first open house. Please bring the open house signs and the lockbox and keys. See you tomorrow. I'm a little hungry. I think I need one snack before bed.
I'm so excited to go on a bike ride with my friends tomorrow. I'm a little bit hungry. What should I eat? A fortune cookie.
I feel funny and a little strange. Well, I better get ready. My friends are gonna come pick me up. We're going bike riding today.
I feel so different and funny. Oh my gosh, I have an open house to go to. I have to get dressed.
Oh my gosh, my friends are gonna be here. Whose body is this?
You don't look like Pearl. What happened to you?
I don't know, I feel kind of funny, you guys. I woke up and I just look different. Can we go for a bike ride?
Yeah! Let's go. Today I'm going to an open house. Hi Sarah, how's everything going?
Shemeika, what happened?
I ate a cookie last night. I feel very different. I'm hungry. Look, there's an open house. They usually have snacks.
Let's go inside and see if they have snacks.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Hi, welcome to our open.
Shemeika? What the Freaky Friday house tour at 311 Younglove is this?
Do you girls want a cookie while you're here?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shemeika, will you show me around this house?
Yes, Pearl.
And will you tell me about it?
A lot. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single level, 1,560 square feet. There's a cozy fireplace in the living room. The beautiful addition has sliding glass doors and skylights that make this home lofty and bright. This craftsman bungalow is the quintessential Santa Cruz dream house. The location is close to shopping, dining, beaches, scenic West Cliff Drive, parks, and so much more. Let's make this dream home your reality.
Shemeika, it's so weird that you're in my body.
Yes.
How did the open house go today? Did we sell it?
It went good.
It went good?
How do we get back?
That's a good question, Shemeika. Should we try and eat another cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we could find one.
What about this baguette thing?
You want to eat a baguette? Or you want to eat a cookie? Okay, Shemeika, will you split the cookie for us?
Sure.
And this better work. Okay, Shemeika, cheers. Bottoms up. Oh my gosh! Yes! We did it, Pearl! We're back! Welcome to 311 Younglove.
Good.